Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the Nest Thermostat is powered, showing the home screen, and connected to your Wi-Fi network. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open the Google Home app signed into the same Google account used for the thermostat. Tap the plus icon and select Setup Device, then New Device to search for nearby devices. You do this now because the app will guide device discovery and authentication. Follow on screen prompts to let the app access location and Bluetooth if requested. When the thermostat appears in the Home app, stop and compare the setup code shown in the app with the one on your Nest display to verify pairing. You want security and accuracy. After confirming, tap Connect and allow the app to control the device, which enables voice commands and routines. Next, assign the thermostat to a room and pick a clear name so voice control works reliably. Make sure to set your preferred temperature units and the eco settings now to avoid reconfiguring later. Finish by testing control with a simple voice command. Say "Hey Google" and ask for a temperature change to confirm alarms, routines, and scheduling sync. If the thermostat fails to respond, restart the Nest and your router, then unlink and relink the device from the Home app. This clears common handshake errors. Also verify both the Home app and the Nest are on the same Google account and Wi-Fi. Mismatched accounts or networks are the most common cause when pairing won't complete, so fix those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.